In today's digital world, where a significant portion of online traffic comes from mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly website is essential for any business or organization that wants to succeed online. Facebook, with its vast user base and powerful tools, can be a valuable asset in creating and optimizing a mobile-friendly website. In this video, we will explore how to use Facebook to create a mobile-friendly website that will engage your audience, enhance user experience, and boost your online presence. Section 1. The importance of a mobile-friendly website. A mobile-friendly website is a website that is designed to be easily viewed and navigated on mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. In today's mobile-first world, having a mobile-friendly website is crucial for several reasons. Enhanced user experience. Users expect websites to load quickly and adapt to their mobile devices. A mobile-friendly website provides a seamless and enjoyable user experience, encouraging users to stay longer and engage with your content. Improved search engine rankings. Search engines like Google prioritize mobile-friendly websites in their search results. A mobile-friendly website is more likely to rank higher in search results, increasing your website's visibility and attracting more visitors. Increased mobile traffic. Mobile devices account for a majority of online traffic. A mobile-friendly website ensures that your website is accessible and user-friendly for mobile visitors, maximizing your audience reach. Section 2. Facebook's role in mobile website creation. Facebook offers several tools and features that can help you create a mobile-friendly website. Facebook Instant Articles. Facebook Instant Articles allow you to publish content that loads instantly within the Facebook app, providing a fast and engaging mobile reading experience. Facebook Mobile Studio. Facebook Mobile Studio is a suite of tools that help you create and optimize mobile ads. You can use Mobile Studio to create eye-catching mobile ad formats, test different ad variations, and track ad performance. Facebook Developer Tools. Facebook Developer Tools include a variety of tools that can help you debug and optimize your website's code, identify performance bottlenecks, and enhance its overall efficiency. Section 3. Creating a mobile-friendly website with Facebook. To create a mobile-friendly website using Facebook's tools, follow these steps. Start with a responsive design. Use a responsive design framework or template to ensure your website automatically adapts to different screen sizes and devices. Optimize images. Compress images to reduce their file size without compromising quality, using tools like JPEG Mini or TinyPNG. Simplify navigation. Use a clear and concise navigation menu that is easy to access and use on mobile devices. Consider using a hamburger menu for larger menus. Ensure legible text. Use fonts that are easy to read on small screens, maintain appropriate font sizes, and provide sufficient contrast between text and background colors. Test on different devices. Test your website on various mobile devices and browsers to ensure it displays correctly and provides a consistent user experience. Section 4. Utilizing Facebook's mobile-friendly tools. Leverage Facebook's mobile-friendly tools to enhance your website's mobile presence. Create Facebook Instant Articles. Publish your blog posts and longer content as Facebook Instant Articles for fast and seamless mobile reading. Use Facebook Mobile Studio. Design and optimize mobile-friendly Facebook ads using Mobile Studio to reach your target audience effectively. Debug and optimize with Facebook Developer Tools. Utilize Facebook Developer Tools to identify and fix performance issues, improve website speed, and ensure a smooth mobile experience. By using Facebook's tools and following the principles of responsive design and mobile optimization, you can create a mobile-friendly website that engages your audience, enhances user experience, and boosts your online presence. Remember, a mobile-friendly website is not just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity in today's mobile-first world. By making your website mobile-friendly, you're opening up your business or organization to a wider audience and increasing your chances of success in the digital landscape.